Can I explain a HELOC? Absolutely. So a HELOC is a home equity line of credit. I personally have one. I help people set them up all the time. Whatever equity you have in your house, they usually let you go up to about 90% of that equity, right? And then whatever that number is of the equity that you have in your house, you can set up a line of credit, meaning you're able to take money out of it, and the money you take out of it, you pay interest on, and then as you repay it, that's less money that you're paying interest on, the balance goes back down. And so a HELOC fights against amortization. So even if a HELOC has a higher interest rate, you can typically pay off a HELOC faster than you can pay off a long-term fixed rate mortgage. So we can have more conversation about that if you want to call or text me, and we can talk into greater detail about what I mean there. But if you're, typically a HELOC is going to be set up on an interest-only payment. So if you pay the minimum payment, you're not getting that balance down. But if you attack the principal, right, that's really, if you simply just pay the debt down, now you have less debt that you're paying interest on, and you can accelerate the, less time it takes to repay that loan as compared to a traditional straight loan. And there's actually a loan program that I really like out there called an all-in-one loan. And that's where they're taking a HELOC and making that your primary mortgage, and they attach it to a checking account. This works better if you make more than, maybe 10 or 15 or more $1,000 per month, where you can direct deposit your paychecks into that checking account, and it pays down the balance right away. And then everything that you buy, because it's attached to the checking account, you borrow against it. You pay your bills, you pay your things normally as you do, but you have a time advantage. Let's say you pay down you get paid on the 1st, but you don't have to pay a bill until the 15th. That's time that you've paid the balance down, that you're not getting charged that interest. And then once you borrow the money back on the 15th, then just the amount that you borrowed, you have to pay that interest. So that's an all-in-one loan. There's a lot of different people talking about it on TikTok. It's a fantastic loan product where they'll call it accelerated equity booster or whatever. They give it a big sexy name.